Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I'm so excited because I have a Stitchfix today. It's been a while since I posted one of those, and who doesn't love a good clothing box? So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like my channel enough so that you'll hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So let's get on with it. I already took it out of the big box that it comes in, and it was a big box because it had a handbag. Actually, it had a backpack in it. My stylist sent me a backpack last month and I wasn't really impressed with it, so she decided she was going to send me another one. Stitchfix is a styling box, and it comes with 5 items in it, and I think there's a $20 styling fee, but I think most people by now have a styling pass, so you pay a one-time $49 charge for the year and you're done. And I do have a link below for $50 off, so if you haven't tried Stitchfix by now, you can try it and you'll get $50 to try anything in the box, and you don't have to pay the $20 styling fee. So how awesome is that? So it comes, as I said, normally in a box, but I've already taken everything out of the box. It comes with a note and how to style each piece that you get in the box. And my stylist, again, is Marissa, and she sent you a personalized note in there. And I normally don't read the note, but she did, to you guys, I do read my note. And she did say that she sent me another backpack. And then there is the price sheet. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So of course, it's like if you only like 4, it does pay to keep all 5 because you save that money. And there are boards on Facebook that you can sell your items on so that you're not stuck keeping it in your closet. So if you want more information on how to do the boards on Facebook, my email is always below, or you can Instagram me and I can fill you in on how to do that as well. So let's get into what she sent me, because I just dropped everything. So I'm gonna start with this backpack. It is kind of a champagne pink color, and I absolutely love the style. It's similar to the one she sent me before, which was black, but it had gold zippers, and I'm really not a gold zipper person. You can take the straps in the back off and then just use it as a handbag. And it's got nice long straps so that you can put it on the back. The only thing I didn't like about this is it got suede on the front. And with the rough way that I use handbags, I know you can spray stuff on here, but I could see this getting dirty and it lasting maybe a few months, and then I'd have to be cleaning it all the time. But it's, I'm not sure if it's leather. It's probably like a vegan leather. But I love the style. It's big enough now that we have to carry hand sanitizer and wipes and everything else that we have to, masks, extra masks, but look at how big it is inside. So, and it comes with a cloth bag, and the lining on this, you can see that I really like the lining, and it's got pockets in here, it's got a zipper in here. So I was on the fence on this, but just the suede, I don't think I own a suede. I do own leather-like handbags, but I just can't get over, I know I'll probably get pen marks on here, and I don't know. Leave me your comments below. It's got like little side pockets. It's a very attractive bag, and it does have silver. I don't know. And I will go over pricing at the end, but it will give you time now to think about this bag. And then I have 4 tops, so the try-on will be really easy. And she sent me some sweaters. I know it's getting cool outside. Still not cool enough for me to wear sweaters. But the first one is by Pink Clover. It's Valencia Curved Hem Pullover. And they call this the color red in a size large. And I actually like it. It feels so soft. It's long sleeve. It's just a plain, simple pullover. So there's nothing wrong with it. And as I said, it's kind of a cinnamon color. I wouldn't really call it a red. So I do like that. And then the next one, I put everything back in the bag, so if you hear rumpling, that's what it is the North Face Eden Performance short sleeve blue in a large. And it's just a simple t-shirt. I managed to get everything wrinkled, so it wasn't their fault. They had everything nicely packaged. And it has just the little slits on the side. I think this is more activewear. And again, nothing wrong with this. It's just a nice, simple, casual top. And I would definitely wear it. I'm not sure about the color. I'm not really a teal person. And then the next top is definitely something I would not reach for. But after pulling it out of the box, it is so soft. This is what it looks like. And I guess I should tell you what it is. This is the Mellow Day Amara Super Soft Button Down Shirt. They call it white, and it's in an extra large. And she probably sent this to me a little bit bigger so that you can wear like a top underneath it. I don't know how much use I would get out of something like this. Again, I definitely would not have picked this for myself. It's out of my comfort zone. I will try it on. So this is one of those pieces that if I wanted to keep everything, this would be the piece that I wouldn't reach for. And there's one more piece. I hope you guys are having a great afternoon. I'm not sure when you're watching this video. Of course, I'm not sure when I'm putting it up. And this one, first I thought it was pajamas. It is the Market & Spruce On Sale Scoop Neck Dome and Knit Top in pink large. And I thought it was nice, but then I looked at the top here, and I'm like, is this pajamas? Because it's really just on the back here. And I like the sleeves, and you'll see when I try it on, but it's just like inside the lining here, I'm thinking it looked kind of like pajamas. And even like the color was like a pajama-y type of color. So you'll probably be able to see more when I put it on. So that was everything that I got in my box, and now I'll do the try-on. Okay, I'm back with the first top, the one I thought was kind of a pajama top, but you really don't see that pajama top type material. And this is the Market & Spruce Ansel Scoop Neck Denim, the dome and sleeve in pink in a size large. It's not bad. It's a little see-through, so I have to be careful what kind of bra that I wear with it. It's 3/4 sleeve. It doesn't fit bad. I'll turn around so you can see the back. So it has a nice fit to it. It's just kind of a little baggy here, but I'll move up close. I just don't like how, again, it's a little see-through, but if I wore the right bra. So let me know what you think of this. I'm not totally crazy, so I'm not in love with it, but it's a nice summer color. So I will be right back with the next top. Okay, I am back with the pink clover Valencia curved hem pullover that they're calling red in a size large. It's a little snug here on the top, and I says I wouldn't actually call it a red. It's more like a cinnamon color to me. I do like the color. It's just feeling a little snug up on top. I probably have to wear a different bra on the top, and I don't know if I should size up because it's a little snug around here, and again, it's just feeling a little snug around here, but it's very, very soft. And it's definitely a nice throw on, kind of a fall winter piece. So I don't know, you gotta let me know what you think about this one. And I'll be right back with the next one. Okay, I'm back with the next 3 pieces. I do have the backpack, but it's all wrapped up nicely, so I am not going to put it on. It is a great size. So I don't know. I'm still on the fence because it has that suede on the front, and I just know I'm going to do major damage. So I have underneath the North Face Eden Performance in the teal, and then I'm wearing the Mellow Day Amara super soft button down, what they call white, in the extra large. So this is how it fits. You know, you can probably bow tie it here, which I never do to my tops. I know a lot of people do it. It looks adorable on them, but it's just not something that I would do. It's comfortable, it's soft, it's casual. I could wear it with jeans and some boots. It's, again, I'm not loving this. I was never one to wear these type of shirts. And then I'll take it off, and underneath is the teal shirt, which looks a little big. I know it's supposed to be kind of a workout shirt, and it's perfect for wearing around the house, working out. So in that sense, it being big is great. But knowing Stitchfix prices, I could probably go to Walmart or Target and get these, you know, 4 for something. So I don't know. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna turn around. I don't know if I did. And do the hokey pokey. And I'm gonna be right back with that recap. Okay, what'd you think of that fix? I wasn't feeling it. I'm sorry, just wasn't feeling it. So let's go over everything. I still kept that top on because it was a little comfortable. So if I kept everything in that fix, it comes to $246 for 5 pieces. The most expensive thing, of course, was that backpack. The buy all discount took $61.50 off, and then it would have been $184.50. And thanks to you guys for using my code, I would have saved $104.64, and I would have only paid like $80. But I'm sorry, there was nothing in this fix that was calling my name. So let me know if you disagree with me or if there was something you thought. But the individual pricing, the backpack was $68. Had it been maybe all of the leather, the vegan leather, I probably would have kept it because I like the size for when we travel. I can just stuff everything in there, but that suede is what took it away from me. The pink clover curved hem pullover, what they called red, was $44. So not bad for a sweater. The super soft button down in the white, in the extra large, was $46. The Market and Spruce Dolman in the pink was $48, which to me was a little pricey for that type of shirt. And then this North Face, which I find it extremely comfortable, was $40. So again, ladies, let me know. Could you go to Target? Could you go to Walmart or another store and get something like this for a lot less expensive? So yeah, this fix, it's all going back. But thank you so much for spending the time with me, and please leave me comments what you thought of these pieces, and you guys have an awesome day.